Storage devices are hardware components used to store digital data, and they are categorized based on speed, durability, capacity, and purpose. First, there is primary versus secondary storage. Primary storage, volatile, is fast memory that loses data when power is off. Example, RAM, random access memory. Secondary storage, non-volatile, is permanent data storage. Example, hard drives, SSDs. Types of storage devices include magnetic storage, traditional, high capacity, which uses magnetism to store data on rotating disks. Hard disk drive, HDD, a type of magnetic storage, has the structure of spinning platters with a read/write head. The platters have speeds of 5,400 to 7,200 RPM, standard, and 10,000 to 15,000 RPM, high performance. HDDs have various capacities from 500 gigabytes to 18 terabytes. This type has advantages like being cheap and having a large capacity. The disadvantages are that they are slower than SSDs and prone to risk of mechanical failure. HDDs are mostly used in desktop PCs, servers, and for mass storage. Floppy disks, an obsolete type of magnetic storage, had the capacity of 1.44 megabytes as a 3.5-inch disk. Its use case was in early computers from the 1980s, 2000s, and they are now obsolete. Magnetic tapes had the capacity of 1 TB plus per cartridge and are used in long-term data backups in enterprise environments. Solid-state storage, faster, no moving parts, uses flash memory instead of spinning disks. Solid-state drive, SSD, a type of solid-state storage, has many types and forms. First, there are SATA SSDs, which have speeds of 500 megabytes per second. They replaced HDDs and use a SATA interface. There are NVMe SSDs, which have either an M.2 or PCI interface, with speeds of 3,500 to 7,000 megabytes per second. These SSDs come in a smaller form factor. They are high-speed, durable, energy efficient, but more expensive than HDDs. They are used in laptops, gaming PCs, and high-performance workstations. There are also USB flash drives or pen drives, which come in capacities of 8 gigabytes to 2 terabytes and are portable as well as plug-and-play, but they get lost easily and are slower than SSDs. Mostly, they are used for file transfer and temporary storage. Now, memory cards, SD, microSD, CF, come in various types like SD, microSD, and compact flash, CF. Their capacity is mostly from 2 gigabytes to 1 terabyte and are used in smartphones, cameras, and drones. Optical storage, read-only, archival use, stores data using laser technology. There are CDs, compact discs, which have a capacity of 700 megabytes and come in various types like CD-ROM, read-only, CDR, write once, CDRW, rewritable. They are mostly used for music and software distribution, which is now outdated. DVDs, digital versatile disc, come in a capacity of 4.7 gigabytes, single layer, and 8.5 gigabytes, dual layer. They are mostly used for movies and also software. Blu-ray discs are just like DVDs, but with a capacity of 25 gigabytes, single layer, 50 gigabytes, dual layer, and up to 100 gigabytes, XL. These are used for high-definition movies and gaming console discs like the PlayStation and Xbox. Cloud storage, internet-based, virtual, stores data on remote servers and is accessible via the internet. Examples of cloud storage services are Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud, and OneDrive. Advantages are that they are accessible from anywhere and they are also scalable. Disadvantages are that they require internet access and there are potential privacy concerns since your data is being kept by someone else. Cloud storage is mostly for online backups and collaboration. Finally, there is emerging and specialized storage. There are hybrid drives, SSHDs, which combine HDDs and SSDs for better speed and capacity. There is also RAID, redundant array of independent disks, which is multiple drives put together for redundancy and performance. There is also quantum storage, experimental, which uses quantum mechanics for ultra-fast storage. What type of storage or storage device do you use in your day-to-day activities?